Welcome back to the Terror with Authors on 2005, and in today's video we're filming V87. But first we have something that has finally returned. It was over a month that this has happened, but the reflection is coming and Blake is here!
Meh. Moo.
Moo.
Moo, YouTube, moo.
Moo.
Everybody moo with me. 1, 2, 3.
Moo, 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 moo.
Okay, that's. Just be quiet.
Okay.
Just be quiet.
It's an F40.
Just be quiet and enjoy the painstaking eye cancer of the glass lens.
It's not. I'm not.
Painstaking eye cancer. Of getting eye cancer of a friggin' lens in front of us. That's shooting high definition light in our eyeballs that are about to explode. Yoni.
Oh, lights just turned on at Master Feeds.
Did I just hear a helicopter explode?
I don't see no helicopter. Do you guys see no
Hey
helicopter?
Tay, do you see that tower down there with a lot of dishes on it?
Yeah, I know.
It's called a telepoo tower. A telecommunications. Hey Tay, potassium hydroxide solution. Get a spark, we end the world.
Yeah.
No, crash that tanker. Crash that tanker, we end the world.
That F40's going down.
Tay,
Bring
take
it.
off those and listen over there.
I don't hear
It's
anything
like,
over there. I think that's the F40.
Shut up, you automated intelligence.
But first, it's time. But first, it's a time to do the horn signal for me.
I'm fine.
Oh, I'm shaking the camera just by doing the horn signal.
Well, then don't do it now. He probably can't see you because of the mosquito. Oh, you at YouTube, be careful of mosquitoes.
Yeah.
They can come up and bite you in the bum.
Yeah.
Just like logic and science.
Yeah. 6412.
Tay, why are you still doing that after like a million?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's 6412.
Oh,
You already said that.
no wrapped coaches.
No?
No wrap. All rebuilt
Ridiculous.
coaches.
I'm willing to throw my scooter in front of a moving
No. 6412.
Here I go.
Wave.
Tay, oh my god! I haven't seen this in a year! Ah!
What is the last
What is
coach?
going on?
3328.
Holy
This
cow.
might be the engineer that said to me that he would give me a hint. Because it
What
was
is
either this Friday or
What
next
is
Friday.
this?
A LRC coach.
Oh,
You should know this already. I will pause.
Lord, what is that tower?
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
What the hell is that?
I don't know. V87's leaving 6412.
Yeah, it's not leaving yet, Dave.
But I'm just getting ready.
Yeah, I'm going to the park. 5.
Okay.
I'll see you in a bit.
Hold on a second. Hold on a sec.
Hey, do you want to film at the park?
Yeah, sure. We can get a high
Recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. I've wanted to do this for a while.
Just go on top of the bridge and stuff.
I'm recording now. This reminds me of V-Rail fan shots.
This is amazing, Tay. I haven't been up here. Oh, we love cancer. All right.
Yeah.
Cancer. Just get eye cancer by the high definition lens.
Yeah.
I haven't heard that in years.
Not years, like month, yes.
You're welcome, Tay.
Oh, fail. They failed.
What the hell is wrong with you? God damn you engineers, I just want to press the PTT button.
Oh, they might have to, I think they'll automatically activate it. If they move up a bit, they'll probably automatically activate. Oh, there goes again.
Thank you for learning how to use buttons. Just thank you for learning how to use a button.
Yeah.
For a love button for once. Like our neighbors finally learned how to close a door. Jesus Christ.
Whoa.
Alright, train, shut up.
It's not. They haven't made its final blast yet. That was a long blast.
And now there's only 3 blasts. What is wrong with you?
It was 4 blasts, but just 3 with the crossing on. Hopefully they won't honk again. No, they're not. They're not honking again just like they did yesterday.
What? And they finally learned how to push a button.
Yeah. Well, they did press it correctly. That was all.
Location 8861 has been deactivated.
Thank you all for watching this video, and don't forget Blake's line. Let's say it together. 3, 2, 1.
No.
Please subscribe to Blake's Go Train videos, the Terror with Autism 2005, VRail Fan 644A, Crazy Gamer 2000, Trainman J, and a whole bunch of rail fans for more great videos like this.
Just be quiet, you telecommunications tower.